Hello my friends, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to apply Facebook's new COVID-19 tag to your Facebook page posts. Now the COVID-19 tag is designed to help businesses communicate information related about COVID-19 to your customers, and it can be applied to any Facebook page post related to COVID-19, such as content about temporary service changes, available inventory, new practices regarding health and safety. And using this tab is going to help people in your community see your posts. The posts are going to be shown on your Facebook business page. People will see them in the news feed. It'll also be available in the search results and things like that. So it sounds like a way to communicate with people within your local community for posts that may reach more people in your local community than a regular Facebook page post. So here is how we set this up quickly. So here I am on my Facebook page and I'm about to schedule a post, and you can see right here that there is a COVID update. Here's a little bit about it, and it gives you some ideas on what to post about for a COVID-19 update. So for example, for me, instead of doing in-person one-on-one mentoring sessions on how to run Facebook ads for your local business, instead of doing these in person, I'm now doing them online. So this is a COVID-19 update that I could use this COVID-19 tag. So then I would mark that here, and then I would simply give my update here, and then I would hit post. So let me show you one I had prepared earlier. Here is a Facebook page post that I have created using the new COVID-19 update tag. Now you can see this bit here. So all I've given is an update of my service. Instead of doing one-on-one trainings, I'm now doing them via Zoom. And this is a great opportunity to still promote your local business to your community, but also providing that COVID-19 update that your customers and potential customers are looking for. I hope this helps, and I wish you every success with your business. Until next time.